This video will demonstrate installing the Tork S4 foam soap dispenser when the existing hole patterns don't match. After removing your existing soap dispenser, hold the S4 Tork Foam Soap Dispenser up to the wall to determine if any of the current holes line up with the variable mounting slots in the back of the S4 dispenser. In this case, 2 of the existing holes will work. You'll need to drill 2 new holes into the back plate. Taking your clear back plate, hold it up to the wall and mark where you'll need to drill the new holes on the back plate. Holding the back plate firmly, take your drill and carefully drill the 2 new holes. Next, insert the self-locking nuts onto the clear back plate in the proper orientation and press firmly to secure. Line up the 4 holes on the back plate to the existing hole pattern in the wall. Taking your 4 screws and your Phillips head screwdriver, tighten firmly. Next, you'll need to install the black outer plate and fasten slightly, leaving approximately 4 millimeters off the surface, which will allow you to take the new S4 Tork Foam Soap Dispenser and position the variable mounting slots over the screws. Slide the dispenser down to snap into place. Take your Phillips head screwdriver and tighten the 4 screws. Replace the cassette, insert your refill, close the door, and you're good to go.